Welcome to channel General Toys. Police car, Mobil Police
is a sturdy vehicle used for urban and rural patrols. The Chilean police car is a durable patrol vehicle used. UAE police vehicles are renowned for their luxury and performance. These vehicles, operated by Ferrari, include a diverse fleet crew. A Paraguayan police car is a sturdy patrol vehicle equipped with
Number 1. Japan's police car.
This is the police vehicle of Japan. With its capital in Tokyo, a population of approximately 124 million people, and a GDP of 4.2 trillion USD. Brands used include Toyota, Nissan, and Honda, including high-speed pursuit vehicles like the Nissan GTR.
Number 2. Indonesia police car.
Indonesian police vehicles. Managed by the Indonesian National Police, feature a fleet of cars from brands like Toyota, Mitsubishi, and Isuzu. These vehicles are equipped with traffic enforcement, crime prevention, and maintaining public safety across the country's diverse regions.
Number 3. Malaysia police car.
Malaysian police vehicles, operated by the Royal Malaysia Police, include models from brands like Toyota, Proton, and Isuzu. These vehicles are equipped with modern technology for law enforcement, traffic control, and ensuring public safety across Malaysia's urban and rural areas.
Number 4. Australia police car.
This is the police vehicle of Australia. With its capital in Canberra, a population of approximately 26 million people, and a GDP of 1.6 trillion USD. Brands include BMW, Kia, and formerly Holden, with performance models like the Kia Stinger used in some states.
Number 5. Poland police car.
This is the police vehicle of Poland. With its capital in Warsaw, a population of approximately 37 million people, and a GDP of 0.8 trillion USD. Brands include Kia, Hyundai.
Number 6. Hong Kong police car.
Hong Kong police vehicles, operated by the Hong Kong Police Force, include a mix of models like Toyota, Mitsubishi, and locally customized cars. These vehicles are equipped with advanced technology for law enforcement.
Number 7. UAE police car.
UAE police vehicles are renowned for their luxury and performance, featuring brands like Bugatti, Ferrari, and Lamborghini alongside standard patrol cars. Equipped with advanced technology, they ensure efficient law enforcement, traffic management, and public safety in the UAE's fast-paced urban environment.
Number 8. United States police car.
This is the police vehicle of the United States, with its capital in Washington, D.C., a population of approximately 334 million people, and a GDP of 27.9 trillion USD. Brands used for police vehicles include Ford, Dodge, and Chevrolet, notably models like the Ford Interceptor, Dodge Charger, and Chevrolet Tahoe.
Number 9. Colombia police car.
A Colombian police car is a versatile patrol vehicle equipped with sirens, flashing red and blue lights, and law enforcement technology. Common models include Toyota Prado, Renault Duster, and Chevrolet Silverado. They typically have white and green exteriors with Policía Nacional de Colombia decals used for urban and rural patrol.
Number Spain. Spain police car.
This is the police vehicle of Spain, with its capital in Madrid, a population of approximately 47 million people, and a GDP of 1.5 trillion USD. Brands include Seat, Renault, and Citroën, with color schemes and markings that vary by police force.
Do not forget like, subscribe. Okay friend, bye bye.